Linda, welcome back to my channel. Today I sort of have another BOXYCHARM unboxing for you. What I usually do with my unboxings is first I will review last month's box and tell you how I liked the products after using them for a full month, tell you whether or not I thought it was worth the money, and then I will dig into this month's box. And what I do with this month's box is I will always have my husband read the card that comes inside and tell me what kinds of products are in there, and I will, be able to decide what I can come on camera with, whether it's like just concealer or just brows, things like that. So you might be asking yourself, Linda, why do you have a full face of makeup on today? Let's get into that in just a little bit. First, let's go over last month's box. The theme was Gold Digger. I think I kept saying Gold Digger, but no, it's Gold Digger. Let's start with the Cover FX glitter drops. You guys, I wanted these to work. Like, I really wanted these to work. I tried every way the internet told me to wear these. I put them on my eyes. I wore them as like a tip on the center of the lips. I put them as a very slight highlight. I even mixed in with my moisturizer and did a body glow. I hate these. It came out so chunky on me and just gross, and I've seen it look beautiful on other people. I am not one of those people it looks beautiful on. It looked like crap on me. It looked, like I said, chunky and just not flattering at all. So I am going to be passing these on since I use them. It's just, these are just not for me. Next down the line was the Ace Beauty Grandiose palette. I have used this a few times since getting it, and I'll say that it's okay. It is definitely nowhere near an amazing palette for me personally, but it is an okay palette. Like, the colors are, very pigmented on first swatch and things like that, but I am not in love with it. I find the metallics very difficult to work with, which is weird because I feel like mattes are usually the hard ones to work with and metallics are, easy as cake. No, for some reason the mattes in here are lovely and the metallics are just not. They sort of go on me patchy and they don't look great, but I do still want to keep playing with this. Is that weird? I think honestly it's mainly because of this color. I don't have this kind of deep berry brick red in my collection yet, so I am going to keep playing with this. Do I feel like it's worth $25? I do not. No, I do not. Then there's the Luxie 4-piece Luminous Eye Brush Set. This retails for $21. I adore these. I have not met a Luxie brush yet that I do not like. The handles are so pretty and sparkly, and I've been using this little round brush so often, almost every day. I really like the whole set. This angle brush is beautiful for getting really deep in the crease. I love it. I love it. Do I think it's worth $21? I mean, close to it. If not 21, close to it. Then there were the two items that I put in my giveaway pile instantly. One of them was the Jante Bleu Glittering Star Eyeliner. It is a black eyeliner with glitter in it. From what I heard from other people's reviews, it is no bueno. It has scratched a lot of eyes and a lot of people don't like it. I didn't even try it, so I can't really say my opinion, but I will say no. And then there was a pair of Lashaholic lashes, and those retailed for $15. They look lovely, but they're the ones that said that they're vegan falsies made from silk fibers. That doesn't sound right. A lot of people said that maybe this was a typo on BOXYCHARM's part, but either way, I just put those in my giveaway pile and I didn't use them. So was this worth $21 for me? I feel like I have to say no, because while I love the brush set, they're the only thing I love. I would pay $15 for these, maybe $20, but $21 is a bit of a stretch for me. So last month, unfortunately, was not worth it for me. Let's get into this month's box. So like I said, I give my husband the card every month and he looks over it for me, tells me what kind of products, blah, blah, blah. So obviously to get the card to him, I have to open the box, right? Well, I'm carrying the box upstairs and all the products tumble out because I'm just a klutzy moron. As I was putting them back in the box, I was like, you know what? I don't like anything that's in here. I don't like a single product that's in here. And that's a bummer. That's a real bummer that I wasn't excited about one thing in the whole box. And just, I was debating not even making this video today, but I did put a poll on my Instagram that said, do you guys think I should even make a video? And it was literally split 50-50 right down the middle. So I decided to do it anyway, just to, be fully honest with you guys and full disclosure, all of that. So let's still go through the items. So the theme is 'tis the season. We've got a cute little flamingo wearing the Santa hat, and I would expect this to be sort of a jolly and festive and holiday type makeup. Let's go through the items one by one. So the first item is this brand Cosmetics, and it is a detox activated charcoal mask. I'll be honest, I didn't even bother looking into if this brand is cruelty-free or not because the word charcoal is on the package. I know people love activated charcoal in their skincare and everything like that, but for some reason it does not agree with my skin. I break out, I've broken out in hives, I've broken out in a couple of blisters along my chin line over here. Is that chin line? Jawline. So I have just stopped using activated charcoal products altogether. This is going in my giveaway pile. And they say this retails for 30 bucks. So if you're an activated charcoal kind of person, maybe this will make the box for you all on its own. The next thing is this Bodyography lip liner, and I'm sure this is fine, but they say it retails for $12. This is just kind of a rosy lip liner. They do say it's vegan and cruelty-free, which is swell, but I have 50 rosy lip liners, so I don't want to use this. I just want to be able to give it to somebody brand new, you know what I mean? I want somebody else to really enjoy these before I put my nasty ass lips all over it. This one I was kind of torn on. This is the Pretty Vulgar, the Powder Room Translucent Setting Powder Matte About It. Here's the thing, I don't use translucent setting powder. A lot of people use it every day. They keep it in their bag, it's their baby, but I actually don't set my face because my skin is so dry as it is that I'm not gonna put matte setting powder on top of it personally. I mean, it looks really pretty. It's a nice full-size container. They say it retails for 32 bucks, and I don't wanna try it once just to have to pass it on to a friend used. Does that make sense? Like, I have one setting powder that I already use and I barely use it. I maybe use it twice a month, so I don't want to open up a second one. And that one's a little bit of a bummer to me because I do like Pretty Vulgar products. I've, you know, liked the eyeliner in the past, things like that, but I would much rather pass this on to somebody brand new so they can have a little treat. Then there's the only item I actually kind of care about. It is the Tarteist Shimmering Lip Paint. This is supposed to be a glittery lip gloss. It is called Insta Famous, and it's a sheer lip gloss infused with shimmering glitter and delivers a luscious multi-dimensional high shine finish. It's 20 bucks. I do want to try this today. Finally, there is the Suva Beauty Protégé palette. It's just not for me. The colors don't do it for me. They look lovely. I've heard good things about Suva in the past, but I have not been able to cement their cruelty-free status. Now, Cruelty-Free Kitty calls them cruelty-free, but nowhere else on the internet does, and that kind of makes me a little eh. So again, something I'm gonna be passing on. And that retails for $34. So honestly, if you believe all of the prices that they gave there, this box retails for a lot of money, a lot more than past boxes, but it doesn't matter how much the box retails for if you're not gonna use the stuff in it. So let's go ahead and try this like Tarteist. I mean, it's very pretty. It's this kind of pinky undertone of a glittery lip gloss. Let's see how it feels. First, the smell test. I smell nothing. I don't know how well you can see, but there are little specks of blue and purple and pink in this gloss. And guess what? I don't like the gloss. It's very sticky. It does not feel good on my lips, and I don't like this kind of blue iridescence. I feel like this is something that I would have had as a kid. So literally nothing in this month's box worked for me. Now, I suppose that's a given once in a while, but I'd be lying if I didn't admit that it's a bummer. I don't know. I don't know what to think. I don't know what to say. So, I mean, next month's BOXYCHARM, I'm just gonna be reviewing that current month. Will I stick with BOXYCHARM? That's another question I've been asking myself. I'm actually gonna be talking about that in one of my future videos. There's, you know, some changes that are gonna be coming to my channel, to my life, things like that. So we'll talk about that later. So let me know what you guys think. Again, I didn't want to come on here and be a negative Nancy because BOXYCHARM is always so much fun for me. You know what I mean? I love not knowing what's in there each month and getting this surprise. Like, I avoid all online spoilers, and I've gotten some great products out of here. Like the Alamar Cosmetics palette is one that really comes to mind. Anytime there are Luxie brushes, I get so excited. The Pharmacy Melt Away Balm stuff, like, holy crap, I'm a fan for life. So I love being able to find out about products I wouldn't have tried otherwise. That's it, you guys. I hope you like this video. I hope you're okay with my blunt honesty over here, but I don't want to come on here and tell you how amazing everything is and it's so fabulous if I just am not going to use it. And what's the point of using makeup once for a video and then never using it again? That is so wasteful. So I want these to go to good homes of people who will love them and sleep with them, put them under their pillow and dream of pretty things. Thank you guys so much for an awesome 2018. If you're new here, again, please subscribe down below. I would love to have you a part of my Rockstar fam. And like I said, you guys are super rock stars and I love you with my whole heart, and I will see you in the next video.